If you've been trying to grow your YouTube channel and the views are not really moving, it might be because of this one simple thing I'm about to share with you today. You see, a lot of people focus only on uploading videos, but they don't realize that even your channel name, your handle, and the channel keywords you set can actually help your channel grow faster. Some time ago, I did a bit of research on this, and what I found was that it is very important to have keyword-rich words in those three areas. Why? Because YouTube uses them to understand your niche, to know the exact audience that will enjoy your videos, and to recommend your content to the right people. Let me break it down for you. The first place is your channel name. If your channel is about music production, a name like Queenex Producer makes far more sense than something random like Queenex Vlogs. That name already tells YouTube and anybody who sees it that you're into music production. The second place is your user ID or your handle. That's the one that starts with the @ symbol. For example, instead of @Queenex, use @Queenex Producer. It's clearer, it has your keyword inside, and it makes your channel easier to find. The third one is your channel keywords. If you go into YouTube Studio, then go to Settings, click Channel, and then Basic Info. You will see a section called Keywords. That's where you add the important words that describe your niche. For example, free plugins, music production tips, VST reviews, beat making. You just separate them with commas. Now, one thing to keep in mind, don't just throw in too many random keywords. Use them naturally and be specific. Instead of just saying music, say music production tutorials. And from time to time, maybe every few months, check your keywords and update them based on the trends in your niche. So, if you've never done this before, try it today. You might be surprised how it can help your channel show up in more searches and even appear in the suggested video section. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want more YouTube growth tips like this, make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know if you've already optimized your keywords or you're planning to start. Remember, YouTube can only recommend you to the right audience if it knows exactly what your channel is about. Give it that information through your name, your handle, and your keywords, and you'll see the difference.